Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we have installed Node.js and we have installed Visual Studio Code. So today we're going to build our web application project. So we will lay out everything. So first thing first, we're gonna have to create a project, and to do that we have to create a folder. So I can simply go to my file explorer and you can choose any location. I choose D drive, so I just create a folder right here. I name it my shop, and then I will right click and open with code. If you don't see this option, you can directly open VS Code and open from there directly also. Okay, so after opening up you will see your folder name right up here. So first thing we have to do is we have to initialize our project as our document. So we have to initialize our project. To do that we have to open terminal in the Visual Studio Code. So we can press Ctrl and backtick. We can go to terminal and new terminal, or we can simply choose Ctrl and backtick. Backtick is just right above the tab key on your keyboard. But if you see this PS PowerShell, we don't need that. So we have to change this right by going right here, command prompt. This is where we want. Okay, so we have to initialize our project. So first thing is, according to our document right here, we have to run this command npm init space -y. Okay, so we're gonna write npm init -y. So now what it does is it creates a file called package.json that is called JavaScript object notation. So what this file tells, as you can see here, it will give you the information about your project, like your name, which version you are, and description about this project, main file. You can change everything here, script. So this is where every project details you will find here. So what are the libraries are installed, so all the information you will find here. So this is very mandatory file, you must have it. So next we have to create another file, which is README.md. So we already created package.json. So package.json contain info about app name, app version, license, etc. And then we have created readme file. It is basically a help document for developer, and every project must have this document. So what exactly this readme file is, it tells developer what he has to do in order to like look for inside of the project, like test project, which tool to use, info about the tool, like that. So we just give information about our project. This document is for developer only, and this is mandatory to have it. Every project, if you download from anywhere, first you have to go to readme file to read what it is. Okay, so that is mandatory to have it. So second thing is we have to create folders. So first folder we will create is public, and second folder we're going to create is src. So in public we always keep the static resources. So public is used to keep static resources like HTML files, images, audio files, documents like PDF. We keep all kind of static files in the public, and in src folder we keep dynamic resources like CSS file, JavaScript file, TypeScript file. So all the programming files we keep in src folder. So for example, this is how we manage inside. We just select this one and we right click in there and we get another folder, images, and right click again, we make another folder, videos, again right click on the public, document. Okay, so this is how we create. So in images we can keep download some copyright free images. I already downloaded some, so I'm gonna just simply copy. Public images, I simply copy right here. Okay, we can refresh it. So if you go here, you will see all the files right here. So this is the standard this is how we create our project. This is the standard. You will see this hierarchy in every project. What public, what SRC, package, README. There are some other things too. You will learn step by step. So now after creating those, we just go at the bottom of this VS Code where you can see go live, because we have installed live server. So we just have to click go live and you will see our folder right here. So wherever you see this, let me highlight this thing. This is very important. So wherever you see this backslash, this is like a root. In Linux you will see about it. This is called root. It means this is the gate of any folder. So for this one, this is our folder name. Okay, so you will see that lot. So this is our folder name. You can say it's root. Inside of root we have public folder, we have src, we have a package and readme file. So you see images, you will see everything. So as you can see, now we don't have to we didn't create any HTML page, nothing like that. We can simply access all our resources by just making some folders and just run our live server. So later on you can give the domain name on this one and you can access all your files. This is how a local server works. And if you want to access this outside, you have to give public access. That I will teach you later on. So what I need you to do is, after doing all this, you need to get the resources. You can use Nano Banana AI. That's a Google Gemini. You can create some free images, use that, or you can go to this website and Splash, Pixabay, or FreePic. You can download some resources and put them in images, and you can take screenshot of this thing so you know what to do next. And there are some interview question I will tell you in couple of videos, so that's very important. So see you in the next video. Thank you.